Hi, I'm Loki Ong from APAC Technologies. Welcome to Broadcast Asia 2018. For this event, for the first time in Asia, we are launching Infinity 100T. This is a 0U KVM transmitter and is USB powered. So what this means to the broadcasters or for the users is that in a studio's environment, you normally have your equipment installed over in the racks, and with 0U, you are not occupying any space within the rack, saving up a lot of real estate space. You can secure it by the side of the rack or fasten it somewhere within the rack. What this also means is also that the USB powered, you are using only 2 watts of power from the USB devices, from the USB ports itself. It also means better power management for the users as well as utilizations. More green for the environment.